So, just taking a look at some of the wraps that I bought. These are these, and if you can see them, they're all pretty much like flip-flop. They all turn pretty much black. When you look at them this way, they all look pretty much black in the shade. I'm not a big fan of this matte stuff though. This is a gold and turns gold. I don't know if you can see it. It turns like a gold and black. Like I said, when you turn this way, they all go black. They all look black. Some I didn't even put on is this thing is a brushed aluminum black. Turns black. This is just a regular flat. This is a matte. Don't like it. This is a flip-flop, like a camo, black camo. Gonna pass on that one. Like the carbon fiber, and like this one. This is a grid matrix, something 3M matrix, black. I didn't even get the carbon fiber. This is that gold and black matte. I kind of like this. This is like a blue, but this is one I'm really I like this. It's like it's called gloss magnetic black. It's got just a hint of like a blue gray in it. It's pretty cool. This is matte galactic gold. Not a big fan of there's just too much sparkly. It's almost like a 80s bass boat. This is the one I'm really liking, and I think everybody else likes this green emerald, like a metallic emerald. I don't know if you can see the green. The sun's coming out here real quick. So let me push it in. Push it in the sunlight here. Come on, move car. Here we go. You kind of see them in the sunlight. So here you can see the green. Oh, this is the first one. This blue here. Kind of see it there. It's just obviously it's a deep blue. Like I said, this is almost like a gray, almost like a bluish gray, metallic. This is like out of control. And this one, like you can see this thing now, I guess. So far, this is probably my number one. This is actually pretty cool, but a little too colory. It's like the rainbow. It's got the rainbow. This one's interesting. This is called gloss amber black. I think it's red though. It's got reddish. You can see it kind of goes red. And this is just straight up plain gloss black, 3M gloss black. But anyways, those are the choices. Those are the choices I'm looking at, and so far I think that's the winner. This is kind of neat, but this is probably my second choice. This, like I said, they all go black. So I'll be wrapping this fin, probably this roof, and the Regal Lancer stripe that goes on the side. So it's about a two inch stripe along the way with trim and cuff scissors. But I won't be doing this guy. I won't be doing the back. Typically, these cars did the back, like from the back of the car you'd see the black, but I won't be doing that. I guess I could wrap my steering wheel in the green for a two-tone steering wheel. You can see it good there. I can't tell on this phone, it's in the sunlight, but can't tell if you can see the colors or not, but it's pretty cool. It's probably about $250 for the wrap. I think 25 feet, I think, estimated. But anyways, I think I'm going green. Catch you later.